Hello, hi, good evening. My name is Shashi Kapoor, and I joined this AI Masterclass Be10x Workshop. And I'm very enjoying each and every class and learning a lot. And coming from a finance background and looking for the research papers and how to report and how to get the faster information and how to design the articles, research papers, blogs, YouTube video, something. So really, I'm learning a lot, and the way the Aditya is handling the entire these classes are amazing. The flow is very amazing, and I'm looking for a after I complete this session, I will recommend for my entire finance team to go through this session also to learn more on the AI plus Excel integration and really I'm really enjoying. Thank you very much. God bless you.